Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well, and I congratulate all the students who are responding very well. They are making small videos also, sending them, and I request all other students to participate in those classes and send your own videos also. Okay, this will be helping other students to study well. So in our previous classes we were discussing about articles. Okay, in that we have seen definite articles and indefinite articles, and also we have seen the uses of indefinite articles and definite articles. So today we will discuss about omission of articles. What is omission? Omission means where we do not keep the article. What are articles? A, an, and the. These are the articles. So where do we omit article? Where do we do not keep article, or where there is no requirement of article is before the names of substances and abstract nouns used in general sense. Remember this word or this thing, that we omit articles before the names of substances and abstract nouns used in general sense. See students, sometimes in particular sense we will be using articles, and in some general sense we omit articles. So I'll give you an example. With this you will understand. So what is this? Sugar. Sugar is nothing but the name of a substance. So here in this example it is said that sugar is bad for health. That means in general sense. Okay. But in particular sense if you are using. So for example, if you are sitting on the dining table and there you have a sugar bowl, then you say, will you pass me the sugar? Okay. Remember that. Don't get confused in that. And then gold is a precious metal. Okay, gold is a precious metal. So that too in general sense we are talking about. Then honesty is the best policy. Okay, honesty. What is honesty? So you all recollect the previous knowledge. It is abstract noun. Can you see that? No, but that it is. Honesty is the best policy. So that too in general sense we omit articles. And where do we omit? The next point is before plural countable nouns used in general sense. Again in general sense we are talking about plural countable nouns. So in example you will understand, children love games. Okay, this is in general sense. All the children will be loving playing games, eating chocolates and all other things you can mention. You can also write your own examples also and show me tomorrow. Then the next example we have is computers are used in many offices. Okay, that too in general sense. Computers are used nowadays. There is no office without any computer or without any data operators. So that. Then where do we omit? Next point, before names or proper nouns. You can't say the Ravi is coming. Okay, this is absolutely a wrong thing. You should not put any article before proper nouns. Okay, Ravi. Here you should omit. You just say Ravi is coming. Okay, then you can make your own examples. Write few examples. I want all complete sentences, ma. Okay, don't write only Ravi, Raju, Kirtana, Sumalata, all other things. I want complete sentences. Very short sentences and sweet sentences you all make. And don't try to copy other sentences. You make your own sentences. Then we have the next point, before meals. Okay, you all know meals. Okay, lunch, breakfast, dinner. So here also you will not put any article or the article is omitted. So with lunch, with breakfast and with dinner you have to construct small sentences. If I construct it here, what is the use? Nothing. But if you are understanding, then you have to write your own sentences. Then before languages. You all know languages, no? Okay, we all have our own different languages to speak. Our mother tongue is different. In school we have different languages to teach. So languages also we have Hindi. Okay, हिंदी हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा है. Okay. Right. So you can use Hindi, Telugu, Lambadi, your own languages, and construct small sentences and show me tomorrow. Okay. I hope you all understood this. Thank you. Do your homework properly. Okay. Right.